Minister Godfrey Ebyanga baruko ori minister wa Kanyabwenje hamwe na no kuhabura ihanga nagira ngo hine kubaho enkwatanisa hamwe na no kora batura atarumo okubiha abantu hamwe no kuryana nkesenene.
We need as Banyarwanda people to be united, to pursue common goals, not others pursuing their own goals and misleading people. Lies everywhere. I've been moving around these mountains from Bundibujo up to Kasese, but you meet there so many lies. Just because someone wants to become an MP on FDC ticket, or wants to become an MP on NRM ticket.
Right, Reverend Jackson Nzerebende or Bishop wa humwira habwo bureberezo bwa South Rwenzori wajumirira abazire abaremerwe kurebera abana babo bakabareka kwandara.
There is a growing tendency of neglecting children these days. But I remind you that there is a law which talks about child neglect. But also the command of Jesus Christ in Matthew 18:6. Parents should nurture their children to grow them in the Christian faith.
Parents, take responsibility. Can you ask where your daughter or son of 18 years is? Find out what your children are doing. ADF will come home. It's not about war. You can even make money and live in peace. It's not about war.
Minister Chibanzanga nagira ngo necho kushazana okushanga abana bato barukuzomo bohecera.
We are receiving children of 2 years. We are receiving children of 13 years, 12 years, children of below 18 in a rebellion, being indoctrinated to hate humanity, including themselves.
Ebigambo bya Minister Ebyanga nibyije ahubwo nyuma ya President Museveni okushaba abo bona abari mu bahecero kurugayo ebi akavugambe sabite hwire omurutaya yorwe omurkasese.
The ADF should surrender because we shall finish them. They are wasting their time. The one who was keeping them alive was the mistake of His Excellency Kabila. I don't know why he was keeping these people here.
Government ya Uganda okurabira muri Amnesty Commission erioneta wentebekanisa okureba ngo abararjo mu buhecera babona ho kutandikira kwebisaho amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.